In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur parts of a video using Kapwing, a versatile online video editing tool that's both user-friendly and accessible. Whether you're looking to preserve privacy or simply want to add an artistic touch to your footage, blurring allows you to hide specific areas of a video with ease. Let's dive right into the process. First of all, open your preferred web browser and head on over to the Kapwing website. It's important to note that Kapwing operates directly in your browser, which means there's no need for any software downloads, so it's quick and straightforward to get started. Once you are on the Kapwing site, locate and click on the Media button. This is your gateway to importing and organizing all of your video content. You'll find it located conveniently on the platform's main dashboard, allowing you to quickly access your project files. With the Media window open, your next step will be to click on Upload Media. A little tip here: ensure that your video files are organized and easy to locate prior to uploading. This will save you time and make the process a lot smoother. After clicking Upload Media, select the video from your device that you wish to blur. Now, here's where the magic happens. With your video imported into the timeline, simply right-click on it. This action will provide you with a range of options to customize and edit your clip. Among these options, you will see an Effects menu. Click on this menu and then select Blur Background. If your aim is to blur the entire background, this option will automatically pinpoint areas to blur, but for more control, you can adjust which part of your video is in focus and which parts should remain blurry. With the blur effect chosen, the next step involves adjusting the intensity of your blur. Kapwing provides an intuitive slider that allows you to set how strong you want the blur effect to be. Drag the slider to the right for a more pronounced blur, or to the left for something more subtle. It's entirely up to the effect you're going for. Once you're happy with how your video looks, it's time to save and export your work. Click on Export Project. Kapwing will process your edited video and provide you with a final file to download. Take a moment here to ensure everything meets your expectations, and when you're satisfied, simply click to download. And there you have it, a blurred video, all done with Kapwing. This versatile method ensures privacy and adds a unique touch to your video content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more useful editing tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos.